Hi, I'm Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the operational use of our new tool changer. Now, this is a product that's been under development for several years, and it's really designed to make our ACU a lot more versatile. At the heart of it, we've got quick changing collar. This allows users to be able to quickly change out tooling heads, just to snap it in place, and then to disengage, just as quickly twist and pull down. The other option is to have a powered version of that, and that's where we're going to be supplying this fixture where you can hold multiple tooling heads and change between them a little more easily. I'll show how that works. Now, your fixture is mounted to a column, and you're using a couple compression plates, and that's so you can really set your height a little more precisely. Once you get it mounted, before you start using the fixture, it's important that you set a virtual limit so that your ACU is about maybe 1/4 of an inch or less above your fixture. That's so unfamiliar users don't accidentally start prying upward with a force sensing handle. I'll show you how this works. Gonna bring it up and over, come down just slightly until you feel it touch, and then push straight in. Once it's pushed all the way in, you've got a 2-hand tie down. That's so your hands are away from moving parts. You're gonna press the 2 buttons. It has to be pressed at the same time. And then it does the same thing, it locks it in place. You're gonna pull straight out. Make sure you're not pulling up, but if you have the virtual limit set, even if you do go up, it's just gonna cause a little friction. It's not gonna stop you. And then use the ACU as normal. You guys should probably already be pretty familiar with this. It's our buttonless controller, so I won't elaborate on that too much. To disengage, like I was saying, the procedure is twist and pull down. Kind of show you how you do that in here. Make sure you're first all the way in, and we've got little spring detents that hold the stem from falling out. You're going to twist to the right, and then with your arms outstretched so you get a little more leverage, just kind of lean forward and it'll drop right out. And you pull straight out and load up another tool. One of the safety features we have on here is the buttons are set on a delayed circuit, so you hit the button once and it continues to press it for about 5 to 6 more seconds, and that's to make sure that the cylinder has enough time to really fully engage, all the stems lock in place. So until you hear it exhaust, it's going to continue to have upward pressure, so you'll need to wait a second before you can pull straight out. Like I showed you before, the fixture is an option. It can be operated by hand, but do be aware that being an ACU, if you push up on it, it will cycle. So don't ever try to connect, basically don't connect any grippers or any tools with moving parts or anything that's heavy and awkward by hand. A vacuum cup or a little small bladder, that's fairly easy to do. But if you're going to be using a gripper, easiest thing, just set it on a table or on the floor and lower it straight down over it, and then just use the weight of your controller to engage. And there it's cycled once, so. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call or email, and look forward to seeing you there.